Welcome back guys to Maxi channel. Here you can find all the craziest and most epic moments caught on BIKERS camera, and this episode won't disappoint. Sit back and enjoy this one. Despite all the dense traffic, this crazy driver was still on his phone, not paying attention at the road ahead at all.
Hey, get off your phone! Get off your phone! Look! Look! Get off your phone! Get off your phone! You must look where you're driving! Get off your phone! Get off your phone! Get off your phone!
Biker witnessed a fight in broad daylight. Two guys assaulted a cyclist and no one bothered to step in. People fear for their own lives, and it's really unfortunate that we witness such scenes on a daily basis.
Yeah, come back, yeah.
It's in the middle of a grouse drive.
Alright.
If you're happy not to, it would be much appreciated.
Right. Yeah, we can't go much further anyway.
It's only 200 yards further on.
Yeah. No, that's fine.
But you can't go any further than that, I'm afraid.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
If you were able to miss that bit out, it would be hugely appreciated. We can't stop you, but...
yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no worries.
Many thanks. Thanks a lot, Joel.
Despite having her tire completely torn apart, this lady didn't seem to be bothered that much. She casually asked the biker for a knife to cut the torn chunk off. I just wish I could have her carefree attitude.
Just open a window.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the man?
Open a window, have a look at your wheel.
All I just saw is something black. You got a knife?
Knife?
What the?
No, I don't. But you better stop because you're gonna screw your tire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you will rub against your tire, you're gonna blow up your tire.
Why don't I pull it?
You can pull it probably, yeah.
Pull it, you're a man. Help
Yeah?
me.
Okay, next time.
This pedestrian crossed the road, even though the light was not green for them. He was totally unfazed as to what is going on around him.
Whoa, hey.
Believe it or not, but some drivers use the center lane as a merging lane. This can easily lead up to a crash. Looks like this pedestrian was sleepwalking all over the place.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Tu-ți morți, mă, de prost. Dă-mi aș pula, măta.
When he saw a lost puppy in the middle of the road, this biker couldn't just turn around and leave it there. He baited the dog and took his time to figure out to whom it belonged. Stay tuned to see how it all happened in this amazing video.
What the hell?
Which house do you belong to? What's on your collar?
Hi, my name is...
Let's have a look, eh? 149.
Biker waved to another cyclist to stop and help him search for the owner as well. Of course, the cyclist stopped to see if he could be of any help.
So is this house?
174 she's at.
174?
She's coming to get it.
Okay. No. Do you know who it is?
No, I'm with the Lost and Found people camping channel.
I just rang the lady. I rang the lady. Yeah. I think this is them here. Alright.
Come here, you naughty puppy dog. Thank you so
You're right.
much. We live just there. Thank you.
He didn't move, he just literally stood there as I was coming, yeah.
In the middle of the night.
Yeah. Right. No worries.
This lady stopped in the middle of the bike lane to talk on her phone. This was a bad move, but her response was really positive. Check out how she reacted when the biker told her about the mistake she made.
I can't get no relief.
That's a bike lane you're parked in.
Oh, I don't understand these lanes. I'm sorry, I was just talking on the phone real quick.
Alright, just find somewhere else to park, okay? Thank you. Oop.
Biker was going way over the speed limit. It was his first time on this road and he didn't quite catch the speed limit sign. When the cop pulled him over, this is what happened.
I wonder if he's coming after me. Hello. Yeah, it's all in the cowl. Is that fine? Alright. No.
I want all you guys back over there. It's 15 miles an hour speed limit. You all was going a little bit fast, but then you jumped out right over here. Got back up over there, and I know you were going more than 35. And then you got over here. I paced all you guys. You up in the 60s, man. Just gonna give you a warning, man. But you gotta slow that bike down, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure. This is my first time coming down here, so I wasn't really. Gilbert?
Okay.
That's pretty fun.
All right.
I'm sorry about that. Thank you, man.
Your boys slow down too.
Alright, for sure. I appreciate that. 65 and a 15. I should be going to jail right now.
In this situation, the biker didn't use turn signals twice as he made a turn. An officer noticed it and he immediately switched his lights on and pulled him over. This is what happened.
What? What did I do? Hi. Whoop, hold on. Hi.
You're using a turn signal right here.
What? I didn't?
Or you didn't use a turn signal when you cut in front of the fire truck also when the car was backing out of the parking space.
Oh, my bad.
Or I couldn't see it because it's been altered.
Yeah, it's a
More than 100 feet away like I'm supposed to.
yeah, it's a inner what you call it?
You know those are illegal, right?
I did not know that. That's my license. Huh?
How's your driving record?
With car it's bad, with bike it's okay.
Are you serious, dude?
Well, good luck. Be careful.
Yeah,
dangerous.
definitely. I will.
Okay, Creek.
It looks like this biker is in for a lot of trouble because he popped a wheelie right in front of a police officer. This was indeed a bit careless, so make sure to stick till the end to see how it all happened.
illegal things you just did. You got your driver's license on you?
I do. I'm sorry about that.
You know, technically I could take you to jail, okay? And you realize that the first wheelie ticket is like $1,200, and that's something that you can't negotiate it down.
Oh my God.
All right, you're gonna have to pay it. Okay? You have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Where y'all? You're good, man. I'm not gonna cut you a ticket. Make sure. Where's that?
I appreciate it.
Wheelies.
Keep doing them garbage wheelies. Woo! Woo!
What was that, bruh? Hold up. Maybe I need to listen to some yellow. Is that Kirby? What's Kirby doing?
What are you looking at?
Target. Huh.
If you're a pedestrian and you're watching this, please take notes on how not to cross the road.
Reverse into me, you fucking useless cunt.
With this idiot driver, we reached the end of yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you enjoyed and learned something out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be seeing each other soon.